friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Xamarin UI Design. So in the last video we saw that how to push notification in Xamarin Form. So today we are going to learn when user click on the notification tab, it should go to the specific page. Okay. Before starting this video, I want to let you know that I have created a Telegram account which will help you to the share the knowledge, because many of the times I realize that there are many questions that asked by all the viewers, and I don't have time to make a video in short period. Sometimes I reply in comment section, but it may be possible that the same question arises to a different viewer, so uh, the different viewer cannot see because it was a reply to that specific viewer. So I come up with the idea to I have created a Telegram account. So I request all of you to join there, and anyone can share their knowledge, and as well as you can ask their question, due to which we can exchange our knowledge, and we can also gain more knowledge about the Xamarin. So if I know the answer, I will surely reply, or other can also reply the same. So you don't have to Google everything and waste time. So you can ask on the Telegram, and anyone knows the answer, they can reply immediately. So I request all of you to subscribe or join my Telegram account. If you agree with this idea, then please send a like symbol in the comment section. Okay. So let's begin with the push notification. Uh, the today's video is for when the user click on the notification, it will go to the specific page. So this is an event. Okay, I have written event in the app.xaml.cs. One thing, this notification open when user click on the notification, it is only created for Android application. I don't have Mac, so uh, I have not created code for that because I am not able to test. So I created only for the Android. If you have any solution for the Mac, then please share uh, your knowledge in the Telegram account or in the YouTube section. It will be very helpful for me and as well as all the viewers. So I also created this event in the main activity. Okay, I will show you first with the example, then I will explain the code. Okay. So this is the account, this is the push notification account. So when I here already token is added, I will select that token, I will send the test message. Okay, I receive a notification on my mobile, I am clicking on it. I have on clicking event, it will open an mobile page, so it will directly open to the main activity. Okay. Sorry, when I press the F10, the video was stopped, so I can't press the F10. So I am directly going to the next step. It will go to the app space app, because in the main activity, uh, first it will be the is notification is equal to false, because I already set here. So it will go here, load application to this form. Okay, and it will go here. Okay, it will get, I will get here is as notification as equal to false. Okay, then it will go to the event which I have created in the main activity, and it will set data. I am getting data all the year when I click on the notification. It is notification time, date, priority. It is default data. Okay, and this is the login page and one. Okay, I have set this value here in additional option. So if you want to pass page to specific page, you can set any data for your. I have set login page. You can set if you want to go to the user account, you can set the user account, or you can set your page name, and you can set your page name of the page. So you will get here. Okay, then set here all the data and each notification is equal to true, and pass both the data to the load application. Okay, again it will go through the this. Sorry, my mobile disconnected. uh, as you know that I have got this data here. Okay, so when it will come here, it will come here. Okay, and then has notification will be true, because here I have set is I have passing here true, so I am getting here has notification is equal to true. So it will skip this if part. It will go through the this if part. It will for loop all the data, and it will find if the key is equal to login page. Okay, if you also want to uh, um, match value with the value, so you can also write data dot value is equal to whatever your value. The data is matching. Sorry, my mobile cable is too loose. So it will get match, and it will redirect to the uh, I have set login page. You can set whatever page you want. It will redirect to the specific page. Okay, um, there is nothing else in this. Yeah, I think this is you don't have to use it, but keep it here. Well, I think it will be useful for the iOS version, so I have not removed this. Keep or create this event in the main activity. For the iOS, I'm sorry for it. And once and another thing, also create this function in the main activity on new intent. Means if your application is not open, if application is running in background, and if you are clicking on tapping on the notification, it will come here. Okay, so uh, only three part you have to do in main activity. Write this part. Okay, this part is before this line. Keep in mind, this part should be before this line, and this part will be after this line. So just copy and paste this line, then write this, copy this, and after that you can handle whatever you want to do when a user tap on the notification period in the by using this parameter. Okay, I hope this is helpful for you, and I have updated this block. I have added all this method in the in the same block. In the previous block, you can see here, just copy and paste and test this. You will definitely get this result. And please like this video, share your comment in the comment section, and subscribe my channel, and please do subscribe in the Telegram account, so it will be helpful for all the users. And I will share the Telegram link in the description section, and the blog link in the description section, and the previous video of the push alert I will share in the all the things will be available in the description section. So thank you, take care, bye bye.